Welcome back, students. We had started with this poem, The Gathering Leaves. I have already finished the explanation of the poem. Just a small summary. Now that gathering leaves here, it is a maybe a very mundane or very you can say boring job, but it is important because the harvest is without end. So a small gist I am telling you. Just pay attention. And this is a cycle of life, because in the last paragraph you see that the poet is telling that the harvest shall, but a crop is a crop and the harvest shall not, who says where the harvest shall stop. So here it is, the poet is telling that though the act of gathering leaf is very boring and monotonous, but it is important because the harvest is without end, and the cycle of life, especially the trees that produce the leaves, goes on and on. It does not stop. It is a continuous process, and it is very vital for the earth's survival. And thinking of all this, we can say this, that leaf gatherer does a great job, and it is giving a lot of meaning to its work. It is not demeaning its work, or it cannot be said that the work of the leaf gatherer is of no importance, because these dry leaves, they are very not very heavy, and they are not very valuable also, but they are valuable to nature. How? Because nature works in a very different, in a very cynical manner. You see how things grow, they die, and again they become one with the earth again, and this is the way, and again new life grows from that particular fertile earth. This is a process. So here the poem that talks about the importance of cynical life in nature, and how the leaves are sign of life in spring, and how the trees, they are alive by acting as the kitchen where the trees make their food through photosynthesis, or this is a process. Otherwise, if the green leaves means they are making food, the act of photosynthesis, which you might have done in your biology classes. And then again you have, when there is no photosynthesis, the leaves turn yellow and dry and fall down. So a process, biological process. So once their job is done, the photosynthesis is over, what happens? The leaves falls to the ground and they decompose, or they become dull and dry, and thus they make the earth rich and fertile. So very important for the whole nature. So we humans never know how long we have to live on the earth. We should also try to live active and helpful lives so that the mother is benefited in some way or the other. Through this poem we can understand this, that our work is also something like a leaf. We should be fruitful to the earth. So it is a poem where the task is boring, but it has a very deep meaning for all of us. We can also say that earth is benefited in this way, and therefore we should be thankful to the nature for a process. We should be thankful to the leaf gatherer for doing the work. Okay, so please girls, go through this and try to understand the poem, learn the poem and the word meanings. Thank you.